How to hide online status on Viber? Hello, and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can hide online status on Viber. For that, launch your Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you log into your account, you will register this interface of the Viber application. Now, from here, click on that More option at the right button. Once you click on it, you will reach a new page from where you'll find Settings option. Click on the Settings to access the setting menu. And from the options that appear, click on that Privacy option next, just below the Account option. Once you click on the Privacy, you will reach to the subheadings of that Privacy section. Here on this page, you'll find Share Online Status option. Check if this option is enabled or not in your device. If this is enabled, go ahead and tap on it to disable it, and you won't be sharing your online status on Viber. If you have changed the setting previously, then you won't be able to do it for the next 24 hours. By doing so, you'll be able to hide online status on Viber. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more successful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.